Hey, what is it guys? My name is Rick and welcome to a real quick Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Optifine for Minecraft Forge. All you have to do is make sure that Forge is installed. If you don't know how to install Forge, I have a tutorial made on that already. So I'll have that link down in the description. So just follow that before you follow this tutorial if you don't already have Forge installed. Assuming you already have Forge installed or you installed it now and you skip back to this video, all you have to do is find a link down in the description for the Optifine download page and find a version of Minecraft and Forge that you are currently running, and simply download the Optifine version that matches your version of Minecraft and Forge. Once it opens up the Add Focus page, all you have to do is press skip on the top right, press download, and it should prompt you to open up and save the Optifine version that you just wanted to download. So simply press on save file and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, navigate your way to the downloads folder or wherever the Optifine that you just installed or downloaded saved itself to, and then either open up another file explorer or drag and drop the Optifine that you just installed onto your desktop. This is probably the easiest way to do it. Then, once you're in the file explorer once again, press on this PC and navigate your way up to this search bar up here and type in %appdata%, press enter, go down the top Minecraft, mods, and drag and drop the Optifine in there. As you can see, I already have Optifine installed alongside a couple of other mods, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to do the installation once again. So it will ask me to replace the file in the destination. This shouldn't be the case for you if you haven't got any mods installed. If you don't have the mods folder in your .minecraft folder, simply go to the .minecraft folder, right click on the site, press new folder and type in mods, all lowercase. And that's it. Now you've got Optifine installed for Forge. If you want to check that it did work, simply launch up Minecraft on the Forge, press play. Once Minecraft has loaded up, you can press on options and video settings to verify that Optifine has installed. It should enable a bunch of different options down here, for example, shaders. And it should say also at the bottom here, Optifine HD G8 Ultra or whatever version you have installed. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, please click that like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions, also questions for the future videos or whatever, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.